This here is my test site with shop, galleries, content. I have 6 themes and bunch of plugins installed on this site. And this here is a blank WordPress site that sits in my server. Now, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to migrate my site from one server to another with a couple of minutes without any hassle, and all this for free. The plugin I'm gonna use in this video is called MigrateGuru, the one you see on the screen right now. As you see, currently it has more than 100,000 active installations, awesome reviews, and if you want to know who is behind the MigrateGuru plugin, then it's the same team that is behind a popular Blog Vault plugin. But yeah, now let's migrate our site. In order to do so, I'm gonna go to my main site, add a new plugin, search for MigrateGuru, install and activate it. And meanwhile, I'm gonna go to my destination site, add new plugin, and also search for MigrateGuru. Let's install it here. Back to my main site, I'm gonna activate it. And now you have to add your email address. I'm gonna do that. I agreed to the terms. And now I'm gonna click on migrate button here. The window opens up and I can select the host I'm migrating to. If you're using any other host, then choose other host. If you use Bluehost or HostGator or whatever it is, and if you click here, then you can add your MigrateGuru key. But it also works if you just choose other host. And now you need a MigrateGuru migration key where you can get the key. Well, I'm gonna go to my destination site. I'm gonna activate the plugin. I'm gonna open up the migration key section, copy the key. Now I'm gonna paste this key here. And now a couple of other things for you to know. First, is your source website password protected? If you hover on this icon, it says if your source website is password protected, then please provide the credentials. My site is not password protected, so no issues here. If your destination website is password protected, then add your credentials here. Some advanced options, for example, you can add your server IP address or name servers if needed. As you see, by default, it only migrates WP content, WP includes and WP admin folders. But if you want to migrate any other folders, then click on this icon here, select the folders you would like to include, and you're good to go. The same goes with the database tables. By default, only default WordPress database tables will be migrated, but if you would like to migrate anything else, you can choose it here. Now, one more thing, if you take a look at the URL, you'll see that the migration is done by blogvault.net. It's not done by your own server. And therefore, I have to mention that if you want to migrate your local sites, that is the site which sits in your computer, then currently MigrateGuru can't migrate local sites. It only migrates sites from one server to another. Okay, now when this is out of the way, let's click on the migrate button. It's validating the details. And now it says migrating my site. Now you may want to ask, how long will it take to migrate the site from one server to another? Well, it depends on your site size. When your site size is small, then it takes a couple of minutes. When it's large, then it may take even half an hour or so. Nevertheless, it will migrate all the files, database tables, and content from one server to another. You'll see all the progress on the screen, as I do right now. And as you see, my site size is 552 megabytes. It says copying files. Now everything has been copied. It migrates all the tables and replaces the URLs. Otherwise, it won't work. And when the migration completes, you'll see this success message on the screen. For my site, it took approximately 6 minutes. Now I'm gonna click on Visit Migrated Site button. As you see, I'm redirected to my destination URL. Let's take a look at the shop. Seems to be working, which means the migration has been completed. Nothing complicated here. Now migration is only one part of the website management, but I have made a separate video about how to secure your site and clean your hack site if this should ever happen. This video is on the screen right now, so be sure to take a look at it next. In the meantime, take care.